Car detailing is a process of thorough cleaning, restoration, and finishing of a vehicle. It is typically done to make a vehicle look as close to showroom quality as possible, and often involves cleaning, polishing, and waxing the car's exterior, as well as a thorough cleaning of the interior. Car detailing is often done at professional detailing shops, or can be done at home with the right products and tools. Detailing a car is an important part of ownership, and is often necessary for dealerships that sell used vehicles. By detailing a vehicle, dealerships can make it look its best and potentially increase the value of a vehicle before it is sold. This process is also important for the longevity of the vehicle, as it can help to protect the paint, leather, plastic, and other materials that make up the interior and exterior of a vehicle. Detailing can also help reduce exposure to harmful elements, such as dirt, dust, and other particles that can accumulate over time and cause damage. Common detailing techniques. Car detailing is the process of restoring a vehicle to its original condition and providing it with a high-quality finish. It involves a variety of techniques and processes to ensure the car looks pristine. Common detailing techniques include exterior detailing, interior detailing, and specialized detailing techniques. Exterior car detailing involves cleaning, waxing, polishing, and buffing the car's exterior paint, as well as cleaning the wheels, windows, and other exterior surfaces. Interior car detailing includes vacuuming, shampooing, and conditioning of the car's interior fabrics and surfaces. Specialized car detailing techniques include paint correction, paint protection, headlight restoration, ceramic coating, and more. All of these techniques help to restore a car to its original condition and make it look brand new. Automated car detailing solutions. Automated car detailing is slowly becoming the go-to solution for dealerships looking to reduce their time and labor costs when it comes to detailing vehicles. With automated car detailing, the process involves using robotic arms to apply cleaning solutions and buffing pads to the vehicle's exterior while a computer-controlled system monitors the task. This process is significantly faster than a manual detailing and can be done without the need for human supervision. Moreover, automated car detailing solutions provide cost savings for dealerships. Automated car detailing systems reduce the need for expensive materials such as cloths and waxes. Furthermore, they eliminate the need for a team of specialized detailers and can often be completed in less time. This helps dealerships save money while still providing quality detailing services. Car detailing maintenance. To ensure that cars look their best, dealerships should invest in car detailing maintenance. This can involve regular interior and exterior cleaning, as well as the use of specialized techniques to get the job done. It's important to understand the frequency of car detailing maintenance in order to keep cars looking their best for potential buyers. Interior detailing should be done at least once a month to keep it looking fresh and clean. Exterior detailing, on the other hand, should be done at least every 2 months or more frequently if the car is exposed to harsh weather conditions. It's essential to use the right products when maintaining a car's interior and exterior. Use mild detergents for exterior cleaning and upholstery cleaners for interior detailing. Protectants can also be used to protect car surfaces from fading due to sun exposure. Lastly, make sure to use a car wax or polish to properly protect the car's paint from environmental contaminants. With the right products and frequency of use, car detailing maintenance can help ensure a car looks its best for potential buyers. Professional car detailing services. Working with a professional car detailing service is a great way to ensure that your dealership's cars look their best. Professional car detailing services can provide a deep clean for both the interior and exterior of a vehicle, guaranteeing that each car is kept in top condition. When working with a professional car detailing service, the technician will be able to provide an individual assessment of each car in order to develop a personalized detailing plan. Professional car detailing services offer a variety of benefits for dealerships. A professional car detailing service can help protect your car's exterior from damage caused by dirt, salt, and other environmental factors. Additionally, the use of advanced chemicals and tools by the technician can help to maintain the car's original finish. Furthermore, professional car detailing services can help to keep the interior of the car fresh and clean, providing a better driving experience for the customer. Car detailing checklist. A car detailing checklist is an important tool for any dealership. It helps you make sure that all the essential detailing steps are completed when detailing a car. The checklist should include items such as pre-soak, pre-wash, wheel cleaning, exterior claying and polishing, interior cleaning and vacuuming, and waxing. When detailing a car, It's important to note any scratches, dents, chips, and other damages that need to be addressed. The car detailing checklist should also include any interior detailing needs such as cleaning of carpets, upholstery, and other materials. Additionally, it should note the need for repairs or restoration of any damaged components. Finally, the car detailing checklist should include a reminder to check the engine for any water leaks, oil levels, and other potential issues. By following a car detailing checklist, dealerships can ensure that their cars are properly detailed and in top condition. Conclusion: car detailing is an important part of a dealership's operations, and dealerships need to be aware of the various benefits of car detailing. Detailed cars can increase the value of a dealership's inventory while also helping to create an inviting atmosphere for customers. There are many common techniques for car detailing, such as exterior detailing, interior detailing, and specialized techniques, as well as automated car detailing solutions. Furthermore, dealerships should also understand the importance of car detailing maintenance and the benefits of using professional car detailing services. Lastly, car dealerships should have a car detailing checklist that is updated and maintained regularly to ensure proper car detailing is in place. By following these guidelines, dealerships can ensure that their cars are always looking their best.